Limassol isn't the kind of place that stands still. It pulses with energy. A place where ancient stone rubs shoulders with glass towers, and where you might stumble from a medieval castle straight into a chic marina cafe. Found on Cyprus's southern coast, it's the second largest city on the island, but in terms of soul and momentum, it often feels like the beating heart of it all. Sure, it's got beaches, but this isn't your average seaside stop. Limassol is layered, full of history, bold flavors, creative spark, and that easygoing Mediterranean cool you can't fake. The city's roots stretch deep. It's nestled between two ancient powerhouses, Amathus to the east and Kourion to the west. Amathus once thrived as a port and a holy site devoted to Aphrodite. Wander through its ruins today, and you'll still catch views over the sea that probably haven't changed much since mythological times. Kourion, perched dramatically above the coast, is a different kind of magic. Its amphitheater, carved into a cliff, still hosts plays and concerts. Watching a live performance there as the sun melts into the horizon, it stays with you. Limassol's own story really took off during the Byzantine and Frankish periods. Right in the center of the old town stands the city's castle, small but sturdy and packed with history. This is where King Richard the Lionheart married Berengaria of Navarre back in 1191, making it the only royal wedding outside England in British history. Now, it houses a medieval museum full of old coins, armor, and relics from a very different time. But Limassol isn't all about the past. It's a city with a double life. On one hand, there's the old town, a patchwork of narrow alleys, worn-out shutters, cozy wine bars, and art tucked into every corner. It's where you'll find painters sketching in courtyards and locals sipping strong coffee under orange trees. The vibe is slow, colorful, and deeply Cypriot. On the other side, you've got the Limassol Marina and Molos Promenade, sleek, modern, and unapologetically stylish. Think super yachts, stylish cafes, fancy apartments, and wide palm-lined paths. But it's not just for show. Families come here to enjoy the fountains and playgrounds, and skateboarders cruise past sculptures and fountains. Wine plays a huge role in Limassol's identity. This is Cyprus's wine capital, and just outside the city, villages like Omodos and Lania offer a totally different pace of life. Here, cobbled streets lead you to tiny, family-run wineries. Tastings come with stories, and maybe even some homemade bread and cheese. Limassol is a delight for food lovers. Meze, a never-ending parade of small dishes, is the Cypriot answer to what's for dinner. Whether it's fresh halloumi, grilled octopus, moussaka, or the addictive cheftalia, minced meat sausages wrapped in caul fat, you're in for a culinary ride. Every September, things get festive. The Limassol Wine Festival takes over the municipal gardens, a big, lively mix of dancing, music, grilled meats, and of course, endless wine. It's loud, joyful, and very Cypriot. There's more than wine and waves here, though. Limassol knows how to celebrate. Carnival season in February turns the streets into a riot of colors, with costumes, parades, and music taking over for nearly 2 weeks. Art lovers find their spot too. The Rialto Theatre, housed in a beautifully revamped 1930s cinema, puts on everything from jazz shows to modern dance. And if you ever get a chance to see a Greek tragedy performed at Kourion under the stars, don't miss it. It's goosebumps guaranteed. Nightlife? Oh yeah. It's alive and well. Whether you're into beachside beats, rooftop cocktails, or chilled-out taverns with bouzouki music, Limassol doesn't believe in early nights. What makes the city so special is how it blends the old and the new without losing its grip on either. One minute you're walking past 800-year-old walls. The next you're stepping into a gallery or sipping wine by the sea. It's raw in places, refined in others, but always full of life. Limassol isn't just a place to visit, it's a place to feel. You can wander through history, toast with locals, swim, dance, and slow down all in one day. The city doesn't ask you to choose, it just invites you to join in.